Are you ready to meet a creature that's part fox, part deer, and all mystery? Let's dive in. This is the maned wolf, and no, it's not a fox or a wolf. It's actually the tallest wild canine in South America, rocking those long legs like a supermodel. Their legs help them see over tall grass as they roam the savannas. And get this, their pee smells like marijuana. Scientists even got called to a zoo once because of it. Maned wolves are a bit like lone wolves. They hunt solo and munch on a mix of fruits, small animals, and insects. Plus, they make a unique sound called a roar bark. So next time someone says, "What does the fox say?" you'll know the maned wolf says roar bark. Pretty cool, right? Hit like and subscribe for more wild wonders.